I started on the Vishakes, I have been 100% better than I was before I started in April. I have lost 30 pounds. I get on my Gazelle and do 300 laps the last time I did it. I gradually went up and I gradually see the difference, and I hope other people can see the difference because I feel 100% better. I was about ready to call it a day. I'm 92 years old, will be next month, and I'm feeling like I did when I was 50, believe it or not. I don't have a pain or an ache except when I stump my toe. when I stump my toe, that hurts, but that's the only place I hurt. And I've enjoyed the shakes. They're so good, and you kind of get addicted to them. You just feel like you've got to have that shake in the morning and at night. Makes you sleep better. Well, it just feels, you feel better all over, all the time. And it makes me want to get up and go. And I get out and dig in the garden. I have a garden going, and my husband's a big help to it, and he's on shakes too. He was going to just do it a while and quit. Now he can't quit. He says, no way am I going to do without those shakes because I feel so much better. He's 84, and we've been married 2 years, and we're happy, and everything's going great, and we just wish that everybody knew what we know about the Vishakes.